Did you hear that lion roar last night, Mina?
Of course, everyone did. No one messes with the lion.
I wish I could roar like that. Watch this. Row, squawk.
The monkeys tumbled, hooting with laughter. Nice roar, Pico.
I guess I'll never sound scary.
But Pico, you can mimic anything. That's amazing. Yeah, copy the lion, Pico.
With a sparkle in his eye, Pico let out a perfect, thunderous lion roar.
All the animals cheered, the jungle alive with applause.
Guess being a parrot is pretty special after all.